So, here's question 1. The height of a container is x squared minus 2x minus 15 over 5x squared minus 14x plus 8. And the length is x squared minus 25 over 10x squared minus 3x minus 4. Determine the ratio of the height to the length. State any restrictions. So we start off by copying the question like this. Divide by square. So here we divide the two expressions that they gave us because we want to find out the ratio of the height to the length. And then next we factor the values of the expressions into x minus 5 and x plus 3 for the first one, because x squared minus plus 3x minus 5x equals minus 2x, and minus 5 times plus 3 equals minus 15. And then the one in the denominator, it's 5x minus 4 to x minus 2, because 5x squared, 5x minus 10, 10x minus 10x minus 4x equals minus 14x. Then minus 4 times minus 2 equals plus 8. Then we divide by, simplify the other one as well into x plus 5 and x minus 5 using the difference of two squares. And then go by 2x plus 1, then 5x minus 4, because 2x, 5x, 10x squared, 2x minus 4x minus x 8x, and then plus 1 plus 5x, so minus 8x plus 5x equals minus 3x, and then plus 1 times minus 4 equals negative 4. And then since we have a division here, we can inverse the values of the denominator and numerator to become multiplication, which will ultimately become like this. We just move everything down here, and then so that's the numerator part. And there's the, wait, no. Oh yeah, wait. I messed it up. Sorry. Just, we have to like actually reverse these two. Wait, let me just. Yeah. So when we move it, it's gonna be like this. Copy the ones down here, and then we change it into multiplication, and then it becomes 2x plus 1, 5x minus 4 over x plus 5, x minus 5. Then because we're these two fractions are essentially joined, and since it's a fraction, we can factor out the same ones. Like, say over here we have x minus 5 and x minus 5 here. We can take it out. What else can we take out? 5x minus 4, 5x minus 4. Yeah, okay. And then that we can simplify it into x plus 3, taken from that one, from first one, into 2x plus 1 over x minus 2 times x plus 5. And that's the answer to this. Then it says here, state any restrictions. We're gonna find out what those are from this expression. So the restrictions should be, let's see, 5x minus 4, 4 over 5. Yeah. Because if you multiply by 5, it becomes 4, and then 4 minus 4 equals 0, which is a no-no. Next equals 2 minus 2, probably it's 2, then negative 5, because x plus 5, and then x minus 5, which is 5. So these are all the restrictions. Yeah. Okay, on to the next one, I guess. So here we have a question about the rate of the car, apparently. A car traveled the distance d equals 2x squared plus 5x plus 2 over x squared minus 1 in time 5x plus 10 over 2x squared plus x minus 1. And then we have to determine the rate of the car if d equals x r times t. So state any restrictions. Okay, so first we have to understand what's the question. D equals r x t. You have to find out what r is. We have d and you have t. We can rewrite this question into r equals d over t. And that's what we're gonna do. So first we take this 2x squared, take the d and write it down, square minus 1, divide by 5x plus 10, 2x squared plus x minus 1. And then that's going to become, what do you think? That's going to become, okay, wait, I have to explain. We're going to factor out the values here. So just like this, 2x plus 1 and x plus 2, because 2x equals 2x squared, and then 2x plus 2x equals plus 2, 4x, and then 1x, 4x plus 1x equals 5x, as we can see here, and then 1 times 2 equals 2, so there. And then as we can see here, we have a result of the difference of two squares, and we can just simply write it down as x plus 1 and x minus 1 times x minus 1. Then on to the next one. 5x plus 10 can simply be factored out into x plus 2. And then down here is going to become 2x minus 1 x plus 1, because 2x times x equals 2x squared, and then 2x plus 1 equals 2x, and then minus 1x, so 2x plus 2x minus 1x equals plus x, and then negative 1 times 1 equals negative 1. So here we have that, and then we can simply flip the, since it's a division, we're dividing distance by time to find out the rate, we're gonna flip these two values, the numerator and the denominator, on that time. So it's going to become something like this. I ran out of space, I'm sorry. Okay, so now that we have that written, that means we've essentially like combined these two fractions together. We can start canceling out. So 2x plus 1, is there? No, there isn't. There isn't another one like that. We can instead take the, what can we take out? Let's see. Oh, wait a second, I forgot to like rewrite it again. I forgot to flip it. No wonder it looked weird. Actually running out of space there, so let's put it here. Plus 1, x plus 2. The add is kind of distracting, but please ignore it. I can't pay for the premium version of this app. Yeah. Is it still recording? It still is. So here we're going to flip these two, right? So 2x minus 1 times x plus 1 goes on top, and then the 5x plus 2 goes on the bottom. And then we can start canceling it out. So x plus 1, wait, let's change it to a different color. X plus 1, what else? X plus 2, and then I think that's it. Yeah, okay, and then we simplify it down even further to 2x plus 1 and 2x minus 1 and x minus 1, 5. That looks weird, so let's write it down again, like properly this time. X plus 1 and then, wait, over 5x minus 1. There we go. And then after this, so this should be r, so let's put that there, equals r. Okay, now we gotta find the restrictions, so let's look for them. We can look for the restrictions in this equation before we took out all the other stuff. So x plus 1, that will become, to make that 0, we would have negative 1 plus 1, and then next we have x minus 1, so 1 minus 1 equals 0, and then what else? 5x plus 2. Ooh, how are we gonna do this? 5x plus 2. I think we can take from here. So 10, 5. We can, if we just take it from here, we could actually just take it from here because it was flipped. So it would become like 10 over 5, but then you can further simplify that into 2 over 1. Is that right? Wait. Yeah, 2 over 1. Yeah, and then, okay, yeah, because x, wait, x plus 2, no, that's not right. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, 5x plus 2, negative 2. Okay, that's right. I don't think there's any more stuff we can restrict. Yeah, perhaps not. Yeah, so these are the restrictions for this question. Restrictions. No, it's not. Okay, and that's it. So we have question 1 and question 2. Okay, thanks for listening.